Brittany, Steve, if you have a pipe burst in your home, the first thing you need to do is turn your water off. You need to go outside and find where your water meter is, and then you're not going to be able to do this with your hands. You do need a special tool. This is called a water meter key. You can pick one up at any hardware store. Experts do say that if you're going out of town, especially starting this weekend, it may be best to go ahead and just turn your water off so you don't have to worry about a pipe being burst when you come back. Your reporter in Birmingham, Abby Haymond, WBRC 6 News, on your side. Yeah, Brittany, Steve, if a pipe bursts in your home, the very first thing you need to do is turn off your water. You're going to need to go outside and locate where your water meter is, and then you're not going to be able to do this by hand. You do need a special tool. This is called a water meter key. It's just going to go right on the valve, turn it to the right, and that'll be turned off. You can pick this up at any local hardware store. Again, you can head out to a hardware store to pick up this water meter key. And experts say that if you're going out of town starting this weekend, it may be best to just turn that water off so you can avoid pipes bursting and coming home to that mess. Your reporter live in Birmingham, Abby Haymond, WBRC 6 News, on your side.